Hi students, welcome back. Let's solve a fantastic question in this session, that is from seating arrangement. See students, this question, I can categorize this question as one of the very good questions, and as far as the difficulty level is concerned, I can categorize this one as advanced level seating arrangement questions. Generally, you can expect this type of questions in bank exams, central level, that is bank exams like SBI, then IBPS at pre or mains level both, then RBI Grade B Officers, normal Grade A, SEBI, FCI. In this type of exams you can expect. As far as the state government level exams are concerned across the country, you can expect this type of questions, but difficulty level will be far below this one. If you are able to solve this type of puzzles, attempting questions in state government exams is a cakewalk for you. Those questions will be peanuts for you. Okay, but to go for this one, you need some basic students. In our regular course, regular classes, I have given the basics. Two things I'll tell you. Number one, very important one is that you need to take the base data in a proper way and try to find out how many columns are required to solve the question. Second one is keep the positive information on the right side and negative on the left side. From negative, you have to come to the positive side. Okay, right. Make a note of that and go for this. And even before that one, students, just take the screenshot of this one. Anyway, I have given this question in the box also. Box given there. I have already asked our people to type that one so that it would be easier for you. Either you need to do the question by taking screenshot by yourself or follow the description given in the description box, so that you will be doing it first. Overall, what I would like to say, you need to do it first, after that go for the explanation. Okay, let's take the base data. How they have given 7 persons. They have given 7 persons, P to V, that's over P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. Bought different items. How many items are there? T-shirts, shirts, jeans, caps, trousers, shoes and socks. 7. That means what is that? Up to this extent it is balanced. 7 persons bought 7 different items. 1 person, 1 item. Okay, are not necessarily in the same order. Then each of them bought different number of items among 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 and 10. Very carefully you have to observe different number of items. That means one person may bought shirts, 1 shirt or 2 shirts, 5, 6, 7 or 10, and that is applicable for all the remaining items, but not necessarily in the same order. But one very important information here, number of persons 7, number of items 7, but how many they have bought? They have given only 6. Isn't it now? 1, 2, 5, 7 as 6, 7 and 10. Only 6 entities are there. They have given the clarity in the next sentence only. You see, 2 persons bought same number of items. Now it is clear. Among 7, 2 persons bought same number of items. Remember that one. Okay, right. This is called the base data. Alright. Then after that, the clues have started from here. Q bought 1 shirt. Clearly they have given. That means complete information they have given. Q bought 1 shirt. Now, how to solve this one? How many columns are required? That is important, right? How many columns are required here? Number of persons, 1 column, followed by items, name of the item, 1 column, and number of items as the other column. How is that? Simply I write here. I start from here. P, Q, R, S, T, U and V. Now here I take the name of the item in this column and number of items in this column. That's it. Okay. Generally for this type of questions, more than one possibility may be required. If one more possibility is required, there is nothing wrong in that one, you can go for that, but not beyond the second possibility. That means don't go for 3 or 4 possibilities. That is unnecessarily wastage of time. Try to do it with one possibility only. That is my first priority. If not, go for the second one. It doesn't matter. Okay, alright. Take the first data here. Q bought 1 shirt. Direct data they have given. Q bought shirt. Item is SHIRT. I'm writing completely because item starting with S, shirt is there, then shoes are there, socks is there. So for that reason, I'm writing in this way. Number of items 1. Now, as far as Q's data are concerned, it is finished. Okay, now go for the next information here. T bought 6 items. Direct data, this one also. So directly just go for this one. T bought 6 items. Over. The next sentence you see, the difference in the number of items that R and V bought is 3. Very, very fantastic information. Between R and who is the other person they have given? V. The number of items bought by R and V, the difference is 3 they have given. Now examine the given numbers. You need to find out those two numbers where the difference is 3. What are the numbers here? 1 is there. 1 plus 3. 4 is not there. So 1 is not suitable. Then 2. 2 plus 3. 5. Yes. 2 plus 3. 1 set. This one. 2 plus 3. 5. Next 6 plus 3. 9 is not there. 7 plus 3. 10. Yes. 7 and 10. Now students, think it carefully. If you take any one person, for example, I am going with R. Now R can bought how many number of items here? That may be 2, 5, 7 or 10. Total how many possibilities are there? We will get total 4 possibilities. But starting the question with 4 possibilities is really, that is nonsense. We should not go in that way. So you need to go for some other clue. If you go for this one, here you see one information they have given very clearly. We bought an odd number of items. Now you see, we bought odd number of items means I got 2 sets where R and V difference is 3, and we bought odd number means 2, 5, 7 and 10. That means we must be given either 5 or 7. Then R must be given subsequently here 2 or 10. Now we got the idea? That means how many possibilities are there now? 2 possibilities are required. Have that one clearly. I'll go for one more possibility here. One more possibility. You may keep the base column like this only, but for your sake I am writing here P, Q, R, S, T, U and V to avoid the confusion every time here. Right? Now here again the same thing, number of items here, name of the item here and the number of items here. That's it. Oh. Now these two data are same. For Q it is shirt and 1. For T 6 number of items. Okay. Now here students I take R and V's relation. If I take 2 and 5, we should be given odd number, so that is 5, and R should be given even number, that is 2. Even here also between 7 and 10 we should be given odd number and R should be given even number. I hope this is clear for all of you. Okay, up to this extent there are 2 possibilities. Don't increase the number of possibilities. Anyway, I'll now go for the next information here. P and S bought same number of items but do not buy caps. Now another information, rough work I do here. P and S bought same number of items. Number of items should be same, but that is not caps. So negative information for P and S. P has not bought cap. On the left side I am writing, and who is the other one? S. S has not bought cap. Similarly here also for P it is not cap, for S also it is not cap. For better sake we will write on the left side. Okay, now go for the next information because nothing can be eliminated. S and U bought trouser and shoes respectively. That means S trouser and U shoes. Okay, isn't it shoes only? S and U bought trousers and shoes respectively. This is trouser and this is S-H-O, right? Shoe, right? Fine. Now, think it carefully students. We have taken maximum data. Now try to eliminate one between these two. Try for that one. At least we can't say that one of the possibilities eliminated at this stage, but try your best. How to eliminate this one? Now you see number of items, you see students very clearly. P and S should be equal number of items. Listen very carefully. P and S equal number of items here. First let us do this one, then we'll go back to this one. Now what are the remaining numbers? 1, 2, 6, 5 are over. 1, 2, this one 5, 6 up to this extent are over. Remaining are 7 and 10. Now think carefully students. Where shall I keep 7 and 10? How many possibilities will be there? How many places are vacant? Obviously 3 places will be there. What are the 3? This is 1, 2 and 3. Where shall I keep 7 and 10? Observe very carefully students. Clearly they are given P and S should be same number. That means either here or here you cannot take 1, 2, 6, 5. Not possible there. Why not possible? Because already they have occupied one place. Suppose if I keep 1 here, if it is 1, it must be 1. Then how many ones will be there? 3 ones will be there. So 3 not possible, not accepted. Only one number should be repeated there. If you go for this one, for example 2, I cannot keep 2 here. Because if I keep 2 here what happens? 2, 2 and this also must be 2. Alright, even here also, like here 1, 2, 6, 5 are not possible here or here. I can keep either 7 or 10. Here also either 7 or 10. Of course here also either 7 or 10. Okay, right. Now students, now with this information I cannot eliminate this one. Similarly here also students, you see this is P and S. P and S must be same. So 1, 10, 6, 7 are over. 1, 10, 6, 7, 2 and 5 are left out anyway. So 2 and 5 means here I cannot keep again 1, 10, 6 or 7 here, either 2 or 5. Okay, with that information I cannot eliminate any of these 2. Let's wait for one more information. What's the next one? The number of socks bought is more than that of trousers. A good data. Very good information. What is this one? Number of socks, SX I write. Socks must be more than trousers. Keep it in the mind. Socks must be more than trousers. See, think it carefully students. With the help of this one, I can eliminate this arrangement. With this data coupled with the already taken data, I can eliminate this one. How? Just pause the video here and try to do it by yourself. That can be eliminated. How students? Now you see here clearly socks should be more than trousers. Now what is that number I can fix for trousers? Think it over here. What number should be there? Of course I cannot keep 1, 2, 6 or 5 here. Because if I keep 1 here, again it should be 1, total 3 ones will be there. That is so with 2, 6 and 5. 7 or 10 it should be there. Now think it over students, I cannot keep 10 here. I cannot keep. Why that is so? If I keep 10 here, socks should be more than trousers. If already trousers have given 10 numbers, more than 10, there is no number in the given numbers there. Which number I am going to give for socks? No other number. So 10 is restricted here. Now this is called the elimination process. Then what's the next number? 7. Only possibility is for this one is 7. Now think it over students, think it over, you have to go in depth. What is this? If I keep 7 here, it must also be 7 because P and S bought the same number of items. Okay, now when you have given 7 and 7 here, the remaining number is 10, that must be accommodated here. But it is not possible. Why is that not possible? So when I have given 7 number of items to trousers, 7, then socks should be more than trousers. What is the number which is more than 7? Only 10. If I give 7 to trousers, socks should be given number 10. But in this arrangement, already shoes are there. Shoes are taken number 10. That means this possibility is wrong. Now you got the idea. So when you practice the questions, you can come to this stage. Within minutes you can come to this stage. Now we got it? Right. Now the road is clear for us. This is not at all possible. Similarly, go for this one. What is this? What shall I give? Which number should be given to trousers? Very simple students. Here remaining numbers are 2 and 5 because 1, 6, 7, 10. 1, 6, 7, 10 are accommodated. So I cannot keep here or here. I cannot keep any of these numbers because if 1 is here, again 1, total 3 ones will be there. That is so with other numbers. Here 2 or 5. Either 2 or 5. Yes or no? Even here also either 2 or 5. Even here also either 2 or 5. Yes or no? If I keep 2 here, I may keep 5 here and 5 here. Or if I keep 5 here, I may keep 2 here or 2 here. That's possible. There is no problem. But students, observe one data here. clearly they have given the last one here. The difference between the number of items of S and T is at least 2. At least 2. So between S and T, the difference should be at least 2. That means 2 or more than 2. Between what? S and T. S and T. So here, what's the possibility? Either 2 or 5. If I keep 5 here, the difference between 5 and 6 is not at least 2. That is below 2. For that reason, students, keeping 5 here is restricted. I cannot keep 5 here according to this data. Simple now here. Okay. So now I must keep only 2 here. There is no other way now. Okay. When this is 2, obviously this is also 2. Now 2, 1, 10, 2, 6, 5 are over. 7 are over. Next one is of course 5. And this. All of you following this one? See, you have to unravel the puzzle in this way. Now as far as the numbers are concerned, that is arranged. Now we need to satisfy this condition, this, and finally they have given one more condition. There are 5 more jeans than that of shoes. What number I have given to shoes here? 5. So jeans should be 5 more than shoes. So 5 plus 5, 10. That means this 10 should be given to jeans. Over. Alright, the other condition, socks should be more than trousers here. Trousers already I am given 2. Now socks should be more than 2. More than 2, what are the vacancies here? Here is one vacancy, here one vacancy, here one vacancy. When I have given for sure this one trousers 2, socks should be more than 2 means I cannot keep socks here. So I may keep socks here or here. Remember, socks here or the total how many items should be filled up? 1, 2, 3 places. Out of 3 places, socks cannot be here. Socks can be either here, either here. And what is the remaining one? Negative side you see cap. Cap cannot be here. Then where shall I keep cap? Now this place is not suitable for socks and cap. Go by the elimination process. Here socks is not possible. Cap is not possible. 2 items are over. Next, shirt is not possible, already accommodated. Jeans is not possible. Trouser and shoes. What's the remaining one? Elimination process. Socks not possible. Then what is not possible here? Socks and cap is not possible. Socks, cap, shirt, jeans, trouser and shoes. Only one thing is left out, that is t-shirt. T-shirt. This one. T-shirt should be here. Then what about this place and this place? If you go for this one, students, here I can keep socks here or here. SX I am writing. Socks. And cap cannot be here anyway, all are over. I can keep cap here or here. That means overall conclusion is here that for T it can be socks or cap. It can be for V, it can be cap or socks. That's all. Because I cannot go beyond this one. Now you got the idea. What you observe from here, all the data must be taken into consideration while going for the unraveling the puzzle. So here final arrangement is that P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Numbers are 2, 1, 10, 2, 6, 5, 7. All are fulfilled. As far as the items are concerned, t-shirt, shirt, jeans, trouser, socks or cap, shoes, cap or socks. That's it. This is the final arrangement. Always you have to do the questions in this way. Now you may ask one question, sir, how much time would it be taking for this one in the examination? Definitely it should take 3 to 4 minutes. But don't worry, below this one they give minimum 5 questions, 4 to 5. After unraveling the puzzle, to go for the questions, it won't take much time. Even if you take 20 to 30 seconds, 20 seconds per question also, it doesn't matter for us. Within maximum of 2 minutes you can do all the questions, 4 minutes for this one, 2 plus 4 that is 6. In 6 minutes you can do 5 questions with 100% accuracy. In one examination, high level examination, 6 minutes, in 6 minutes 5 questions, that is quite acceptable. because if they give 100 questions on reasoning, if you take prelims, 35 questions in one examination, you should not attempt all the 35 at officer level. Spinning technique should be there, I'll tell you. But anyway, reasonable timing is 4 minutes for unraveling the puzzle, 2 minutes to solve the questions. 4 plus 2, 6 minutes you can do very easily, provided you should have the basics. All of you understood this, right? So this is how exactly we need to go for. You please share this video with all your circles so that even other students may also be benefited. It's a good question, students. Okay, right. Thank you very much.